Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm in Fort Pierce with none other than Mr. Miller. Hi, Mr. Miller.
Hi there, folks.
Good.
Yes.
What do we have today?
Okay, today we're at our grapefruit grove, but this is a special type of grapefruit. I remember as a child, my grandmother used to bring them home, and we would peg them, pull it apart, and take every little petal individually.
Yes.
Take them off and eat them. They were that big. These are sweet. They are a cross between a grapefruit and an orange.
Wow. So do you actually call them grapefruit then?
Well, in Jamaica, we call them grapefruit because we knew them, because my grandmother used to bring them home. And as far as we knew at the time, it was grapefruit. But they're actually called pomelo here.
Pomelo.
Yes. Look at the size of this. You try to wonder how these things stay on the tree. But they are huge.
Yes.
Yep. See?
Wow.
Cut that. I'm going to cut one so you see what the inside is like.
Yes.
Oops. There we go. Look at that.
Wow.
And
you see this advertised as pink grapefruit, Mr. Miller?
It is pink, yes.
Yes.
These things are juicy and sweet.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's a beautiful color, guys.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Sweet like an orange. Juicy, juicy like a grapefruit. Some of them we are 2 pounds.
Wow.
Look at that.
They are huge.
Now,
look at these guys.
Let me open one the way we would normally eat them. Yeah, you have to, you actually peg these.
Okay.
Yeah, you peg them.
All right.
Come down here. Let me find a huge one that we can peg. I'm always picking from this section, so the huge, bigger ones are already picked. All right, let me try this one right here.
About how many trees do we have here, Mr. Miller?
I don't know. I don't know. I know it's a lot. I don't know how many of them, but it's a lot of trees. I already picked, let me see, 700. I will pick 700 pounds times 30 so far.
Yes.
30 crates were weighing 700 pounds were picked.
Wow.
All right, look at this. Look at this now. This is how we eat this. At least this is how I do it, and most of the people I know, you don't peel it the way I eat it the way we would normally eat an orange.
Yes.
That is, do that quickly. Cut out the bottom. Then I remove this little piece right here. We don't want any of the grapefruity taste to it, so remove that. Do the same thing at the top. And then we peg it. Look at the size of those.
Wow. Guys, this is huge. About how much do you think this one weighs, Mr. Miller?
I'm going to guess. This is over a pound.
Yes.
This is more than a pound.
So, Mr. Miller, if the viewers want to purchase some of these,
just call my number before you come by.
Guys,
call me first.
On the screen.
Yeah.
Call Mr. Miller. He has tons and tons of these grapefruit. and they are sweet.
Just like orange. Then you stick your finger in and pull it apart.
There you go.
Oops! There we go. Look at that.
That's it.
Look at
Look
that.
how beautiful
I don't
this
want
color
someone
is.
I don't want people to see me waste it because I was just gonna throw that away.
Very
Look,
rich in vitamin C.
look at that.
Whoa.
Woo.
Whoa.
So you eat this by just eating that piece inside there. Pull it off. There you go. It is sweet. If you love orange, you will love this. If you love grapefruit, you'll love this even more. Now, most of the people that I bring here or come to the farm, they say they have no idea what this is. But when they taste it, it becomes another one of their favorite fruits.
It's a cross between an orange and a grapefruit.
As usual here at Jamaica Farms, we have all kinds of unique fruits.
Guys, reach out to Mr. Miller. Make the arrangements with him for you to get yours. Would you ship, Mr. Miller?
No, we're having there are problems with that. I don't know about dealing with that. Then these things are heavy. One crate, we use the big crates. I show you some for the wholesalers that buy them, and the crate weighs 700 pounds. No, we're going to try to make like little 20-pound box. But remember, one of these could be 1 to 2 pounds. So 10 of them would be 20 pounds. It gets heavy and expensive to ship.
Guys, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of the video. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks to all my loyal subscribers. Thanks to all my viewers. Until next time, ciao!